Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. We got mail. Not even sure what it is. I'm pretty sure I know this one. This one I'm not sure. I ordered a few things. We'll see. It's a box. From China. Ah. Ooh, look at that. Time to shave. Huh. It's even charged. Wow. Okay. You know, stuff like this hard to find around here. Really hard to find around here, that's for sure. In the cities not so much, not so bad. But around here, impossible. I haven't had a real haircut in years and years, and 15, 20 years since I got a real haircut. Do it yourself. Now, this one. This one might be a very big disappointment, or it might be really cool. Yeah. It's a light bulb. Surprised it's not smashed. Cool. What's the big deal about a light bulb? You say. Well, you wait and I'll show you. It's a cool light bulb. Okay, so what this is a light bulb that's supposed to look like fire. I saw this on Facebook before Christmas. I was hoping to have this when I did my Christmas video, but it never showed up, of course. You know, 2 weeks late when you're hoping it arrives early. So there we go. See what it looks like. You hear that? That's a chicken. This is what I'm saying. This could be really cool or a really big disappointment. Here goes nothing. Okay, that's freaking cool. Boy. Uh-oh. What? I got a short. What's it look like? Is it cool? I don't think the camera does it justice. How about farther away? I don't know. I think it looks really cool. And I think it's something you could have a lot of fun with if you had 5 or 6 of these. You could scare a lot of people. Oh. I think it's pretty cool. What about upside down? Oh, what is wrong with this thing? You hear it it's crackling like fire. That's not good. Oh, come on. I don't think that's the light bulb. It might be the light bulb. Okay, new light. Same bulb, different holder. Bulb sucks. It's the bulb. Well, that's unfortunate. It was cool for a second. Don't send light bulbs in the mail. Ah, there we go. I got her. No crackling this time. Okay, let's try something. How's that look? Turn off this light. From here, that looks really cool. Dueling fires. One old school, one new school. I know which one I prefer, but I still think it's really cool and something that you could have a lot of fun with. Only a simple mind like me would enjoy something like this, probably. I'll put the link in the description to where I got this thing. I think it was $10. Pretty cool. Like I say, I think you could have a lot of fun with half a dozen of these. Or put one of these in somebody's window. Scare the crap out of them. Think their house is on fire. It's cool. I don't see where it looks like fire. Maybe at a distance it'll look more like fire. How do you think? Can you see that? It's got a bit of a glow to it, don't it? Uh-oh. I was going to do that. Okay, now we got two fires going. Oh, the crazy stuff that I come up with. This one I need to take care of a little better. Gonna die. Okay, what's going on around here? Busy, holy crap. Why do so many things happen at the same time? Today we took the puppy to the vet. The vet's about 45 minutes away. And so that killed a couple hours. Got him his shots. This is his second time at the vet. He wasn't too impressed, that's for sure. Well, he wasn't impressed with it being in the truck. You think it was his first time, but he didn't like that at all. And sure didn't like the vet none. I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know. What do you think? It's got the glow with it. And tonight the wife said, "Oh, don't forget, your truck is due for inspection." So I gotta go do that tomorrow. Don't get a break. Every day is something. Lots of stuff. I gotta go do a 90-day report in a couple of days. Every day seems to be something for the first 2 weeks of the year. Busy, that's for sure. Lots of stuff going on around here. I need to harvest some fish. First time in a long time, no fish in the freezer. I was informed. So that's another, few hours work right there. Fill the freezer up. I got lots of fish ready to harvest. And then we'll be able to get some more babies. So that'd be cool. What else is going on? Lots and lots of stuff. I got roosters ready for the freezer. 8 of those. And they're nice and big too. Nice big birds. So that's good. I keep trying to get a kite video. The kite season is almost over. And I never can catch anybody with a kite. And then all of a sudden, like tonight, there's no wind at all, so there's none. But you know, a couple of days ago there was no wind, so I didn't even go look, and then all of a sudden there's 3 kites in the sky. As there's no wind here, but there's still enough updraft that keeps them up there. So I'd really like to do that video. Those kites are really cool. So simple, such a basic thing, and you got this giant 6-foot kite with a 20-foot long tail on it that stays up in the sky for 12 hours at a time, you know. Or there was when it was windy, they were staying up all day, all night, but normally they just stay up at night. Man, that is cool, huh? Mail call. I was hoping one of these was going to be T. I knew the light bulb one was, and it wasn't big enough, but the other one, when I saw it, I'm thinking, oh, okay, it might be the T. My Turkish tea is still not here. Things get all messed up in the holiday season. No Turkish tea, what you gonna do? It looks kinda cool, huh? How the hell they do that? You can see it's little round circles inside, and they light up at different times, but pretty cool. Make an interesting door light, wouldn't it? Actually, it really would. Be like an old style candle style door light, you know. That'd be different. Whoa! Don't die on me, light. This is my $10 right here. Too cool, but I like the real light, the real fire better. The cold weather's done anyway. Hopefully it stays done. Alright guys, I think we'll end it right there. I'm just gonna relax for a bit and let this fire burn out, and the other fire I'll just unplug it. Pull the plug on it. Just relax for a bit. I got quite a few videos need to be edited and uploaded. So I'll probably do one of those later. Editing the videos, you know, some of them take quite a while, but you know, like this one won't take very long. It's rendering the video. You're saving it after it's edited, and then you gotta save it. The rendering part, that's what takes a long time. A long video, you know, you're looking at a couple hours, 2-3 hours sometimes on long videos, depending on how many pieces it's in and how many overlaps there are and stuff like that. It could take a long time. I'm pretty much done. I think I probably am done with the Ko Chang videos, and after that I'm not sure. Maybe Khao Yai be the next video series. Be Khao Yai. Saw some cool stuff in Khao Yai too. There'll be a couple of hotel reviews there. What else? So the zoo, Khao Yai National Park. Saw some cool deer. No elephants though. I was hoping to see a wild elephant flip over a car, but that only happens in the news. That would have been cool. Kelly is a cool place, but everything is so spread out, you can't get much done in a day. It's just a lot of driving. Very, very spread out. But lots of cool stuff. Alright guys, I'll stop rambling. I'm going to end it right here. As always, thanks for watching.